Magnolia now stands at 4-6 after defeating the Phoenix Fuel Masters. Congratulations, Coach Chito and Xavier. Coach Chito, one of the major concerns that you identified before the game is where you would get the points with Paul still sidelined at ang lalim nga ng inyong pinanghugutan sa bench para lang maitawid itong panalo. Paano ka ba pinabilib ng iyong mga manlalaro ngayon, lalo na those you'd least expect the points to come from?
Yeah, first of all, thank you, Lord, for giving us another day to live, another day, another opportunity. Yun lang. Of course, credit to the players. Sabi ko nga sa'yo kanina, Bel, talagang try to find guys that can fill up the shoes for Foley. We have a hard time to score, especially on our last game. We need somebody to step up in terms of not only on points but the little things, doing the little things. And this guy, Xavier, he is an impact in the game. Also, Peter Alparo, he deserves also to be the best player because, you know, he's coming from that reserve, but he has the heart of a lion because he is a San Beda. So that's why siguro malaking factor yun because he's a member of a champion team. And of course, Mark Baroka, the veteran, I told Mark before the game na kailangan ko siya to step up. And the steadiness of our veteran, Ian Sangalang, Rom De La Rosa, and Calvin Abueva. But it's an overall, it's an team effort because before we prepare for this game, talagang kinausap ko sila and we're do-or-die situation. So we cannot afford to lose. And then, sobra namang mag-iensayo kami in the next 10 days, tapos wala na kaming chance. So at least now we're looking forward for another day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Coach Chito. Now, Zave, on to you. Congratulations as well. Can you just walk us through the difficult task of defending Donovan Smith and how much that just took from you and took you out, how that took you out of your comfort zone in different ways as well?
I don't think it really took me out of my comfort zone. You know, my focus when I'm guarding somebody big like that is they're going to try to take me to the post because, as you can see, he didn't really do anything on the outside against me, but it was in the post. So trying to fight because obviously he's stronger and bigger than me, so doing my work early, trying to deny him from getting the ball. And then obviously a lot of it came down to the help. As you can see, like I fronted him and they threw it over the top and Calvin got that steal. So just being able to trust my teammates to have my back.